Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best digital meat thermometers for cooking on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the digital meat thermometer for cooking Alchem. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Alchem Digital Meat Thermometer is an essential tool for precise cooking. With a fast 3-second response time, it ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. Its waterproof design makes it easy to clean, while the large backlit display allows for easy reading, even in low light. Ideal for grilling, roasting, or frying, it offers accuracy within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. This thermometer is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid overcooking and enjoy perfectly cooked meals. Number 2 is the Alpha Griller's Instant Red Meat Thermometer for cooking. The Alpha Griller's Instant Red Meat Thermometer is a must-have for every home cook and grill enthusiast. It provides an accurate temperature reading in just 3 to 4 seconds, helping you cook meat to your desired doneness without any guesswork. The large, backlit display ensures visibility in any lighting, while the durable, waterproof design makes it easy to clean. It is highly accurate, with a wide temperature range, making it suitable for a variety of meats and cooking methods, including grilling, roasting, and frying. This thermometer is user-friendly and reliable, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly every time. And to finish, the first position goes to the TP01 Waterproof Digital Instant Red Meat Thermometer. The TP01 Waterproof Digital Instant Red Meat Thermometer offers quick and accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds, making it ideal for both novice and experienced cooks. Its waterproof design ensures durability and easy cleaning after each use. The large, backlit display provides clear readings in any lighting condition. With a wide temperature range and high precision, it's perfect for grilling, roasting, or frying. This thermometer also features automatic shutoff for energy savings and a calibration function for maintaining accuracy. Reliable, easy to use, and built to last, it's an excellent tool for achieving perfectly cooked meals every time. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 digital meat thermometers for cooking that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.